Hey folks, Mike
and Jack here with Overland Archie.
Today we're going to be talking about phone holders in RJKU. Previously, we have been using the 67's design single ball mount. Today, we're going to be upgrading to the double ball mount from 67's designs so that we can mount an iPad in our Jeep for navigation purposes while we're out on the trail. The double ball mount secures to the same place that the single ball mount does. Inside the small tray above your dash, there is a single screw that holds in the mount. We've already removed the single ball mount and are ready to install the double ball. The mount from 67's designs comes with two adhesive strips, one on the base and one on the front. In addition, it's secured by a single screw. The challenge with installing the mount is to make sure you remove the adhesive strips when the unit is in place. You'll need to slightly screw in the single mounting screw and then lift the mount up away from the dash in order to remove the paper cover. Once you have the adhesive paper off of the mount and you have the screw slightly screwed in order to position the mount correctly, press down on the mount so that the adhesive can secure to the dash. Once pressed, continue to screw in the mount. I'm going to do this by hand, and then I'm going to finish up with a socket. The 3M adhesive on these mounts is a molecular bond adhesive. My suggestion is to give the adhesive at least 24 hours to make a good seal on the dash before putting any weight on the mount. We'll come back tomorrow and check it out. Recently, after doing the inspection on our Jeep, after one of our wheeling trips, we noticed that the rear light guard on the driver's side of the Jeep is starting to corrode and wear. These light guards came with the Jeep when it was purchased from the dealer. We're not that big of a fan of these light guards, so we'll simply remove them. The light guards themselves are not secured to the body of the Jeep. The only way that they're secured is to the light housing itself. This doesn't really protect the light all that much because any impact to the light guard would certainly impact the light as well. 4 screws and they'll easily come out. All right, so we are back here one day later, and we have given time for the mount to secure to the dash. It's very solid. And now we're simply going to reattach our arm to the ball. Now, we switched to this mount because we are looking to put an iPad into the Jeep for navigation purposes while we're taking longer trips on and off the road. But this mount will serve also to hold our cell phone. I can only recommend 67 Designs for their mounts on all their vehicles as they're extremely sturdy. That's it for today's quick video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you out on the trails.